Good morning, Bryan
High School. The 7th grade Lady Golden Bears won their first round matchup of the NWOAL tournament. The Bears defeated Swanton 25-11. Scorers: Averyann Fisher had 9, Braya Hepker had 6, Chloe Wallace had 6, and Breanna Richmond had 4. The girls will play Archbold on Thursday.
Bryan defeated Swanton last night in the boys bowling. The boys were led by Dakota Brandeberry with a 441 series.
Bryan hosted BG on senior night at the pool last night. Both boys and girls were victorious. A bunch of Bears can be seen posting senior best times. Your athletes of the meet were Paige Kunsman and Pittman.
Snowcoming Dance for grades 9 through 12 students will be this Saturday from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. in the cafeteria. The cost is $5 at the door. Please enter through the arts entrance doors. The theme is blackout and the glow sticks will be provided at the door.
Make it a great day. Or not.
This is yours.
On my vision board for 2023 is to retire, travel, and spend a lot of quality time with family and friends.
My vision board for 2023 is to graduate high school and start college in the fall.
My goal is to get a job, start saving money, figure out where I want to go to college and all that fun, adopting more stuff. Other than that, it's probably just doing more theater and making sure my grades don't drop.
In 2023, I hope to play video games.
My goal is to not worry so much about things and just let life come at me as it goes and to not worry about what the future has to hold.
In 2023, I want to graduate high school and learn more about my future.
Drink more water.
All right, on my vision board for 2023, I would say I'm going to try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. I used to get about 6, and I know that can be kind of unhealthy, so I'm going to try to get more sleep.
2023, I want to build a Lego city.
I want to finish building my cars. I want to buy a 1962 Chevy C10 pickup truck, and I want to get into Fort County.
In goal for 2023 is to be present, meaning put my phone down, live life in the moment, spend time with family and friends.
In 2023, I want to get better grades.
I've been working on getting a job. I've already applied for one, didn't get that. I'm applying for a second one. I'm trying to lose a bunch of weight. I'm starting my weight loss journey next week. I'm trying to follow my career for being a professional baseball player. I'm playing high school. I've been playing for 6 years. And I'm also trying to get my permit to drive as fast as I can. Not drive fast. I mean get my permit as fast as I can.